So, welcome everyone. Today we are going to start with our advertising subject. This is for University of Delhi students, BCom CBCS semester 5, paper number 5.3B. I am Sakshi Verma and I would be taking your advertising subject this semester. Before we start with the subject, let's understand your pattern and the contents which you are going to study this semester. So this is your paper 5.3B. It is a 3-hour paper, not 2-hour, and you have 5 units in this. These are the units. You can find your syllabus on the university website. What we are going to discuss is each unit and what you are going to study in each unit, and we are going to do it not via the syllabus but with the detailed guidelines which department has issued. And when you study also, you have to study all the topics mentioned in your guidelines, right? So here are the guidelines. It tells you that your paper is a 100-mark paper. 25 marks is for your internal assessment and your question paper final is of 75 marks. It will be for 3 hours. Right, this is for BCom. As you can see, BCom advertising semester 5, 5.3B, and then you have 5 units and one unit. Each unit will have one question and you will have internal choices जैसे आपके हमेशा होते रहे हैं आज तक. So let's go on to unit 1. Unit 1 is your introduction. Here you study the meaning of advertising, nature, importance, types and objective of advertising. Then, how is the audience being selected while designing an ad? What is an advertising budget? How it is being set, determinant and major methods. So, in the next paragraph, you can see these are the guidelines which tell you what all in detail you have to study in the topics which are not properly mentioned. For example, it tells you that in the miscellaneous category you have to include what type of advertising: comparative, surrogate, export, public, service, institutional advertising, retail, financial, social, government advertising and institutional advertising. Alright, so what happens that you do not have one static book for advertisement. It is a dynamic subject. You have ample of examples adding up every day in this field. So when you study from any book, you will find different types of advertising, because many people have given different definitions. So if you study from different book or if you study from internet, you may get confused as to what all to study. So you limit yourself to your syllabus with reference to these guidelines. You have to study these topics. आपने ये सारे topics पढ़ने हैं, चाहे आप कहीं से भी पढ़ रहे हो, but you have to cover all these things, right? So this is your unit 1, which basically introduces you to the meaning of advertising, right? Meaning, types and objective of advertising and budget. Unit 2 talk about media decision, right? So once you know what is advertisement, characteristic, how it is different from other medias or other promotional tools, then you have major media types, right? There could be different there are different type of media which an advertiser can choose to give his own ad. वो सारे टाइप के मीडिया आप पढ़ेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल टेलीविजन, रेडियो, इंटरनेट, मैगजीन्स, प्रिंट, न्यूज़पेपर. So you have to study that, and like we have different categories. For example, in print you have newspaper, journals and magazine. In electronic you have television, radio, and internet has become a different category in itself. So you can see advertising through internet and interactive media is a separate topic. It is also important for exam as a separate note. So you study that as the internet and interactive media issues and considerations. Then next comes what all are the factors while you choose a media. So अगर आपने ad देनी है, आपके पास इतने सारे मीडिया हैं, टेलीविज़न, रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर, मैगज़ीन, बिलबोर्ड्स. उनमें से जब आप चूज़ करते हो तो आपको क्या क्या फैक्टर्स का ध्यान रखना है, राइट? Then we on to media selection and media scheduling. In this, you can see the last line decided in guideline that you have to also study the media planning. It is a full-fledged chapter. और जब आप media select करते हो, there are series of things which you need to decide as an advertiser, as a company. So what are all the steps in media planning that we will study in detail in unit 2? Coming to unit 3, in this we study the message development. Here we study different type of advertising appeals, copy, element of print advertising, tactic for print advertisement. Again, the next highlighted lines are from guideline, which states that you have to also study the concept of layout in detail, then radio ads also in detail, and television ads also in detail. राइट ऊपर खाली प्रिंट एडवर्टाइजमेंट मेजर है मेंशनड है, बट आपको रेडियो और टेलीविजन ऐड भी डिटेल में करना है. सो बेसिकली इस यूनिट में हम सीखेंगे कि आप जो ऐड देखते हो, राइट, उसमें जो जो एलिमेंट्स आपको दिखते हैं वो क्या क्या होते हैं. जैसे प्रिंट एडवर्टाइजमेंट में अगर आप उसको स्टडी करोगे तो एक हेडलाइन होती है, एक सब हेडलाइन होती है, कुछ लिखा होता है, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर होता है, कुछ फोटोग्राफ होती है, ब्रांड नेम, ब्रांड लोगो, ब्रांड कॉपी होता है. सो ये सब एलिमेंट्स होते हैं प्रिंट कॉपी के. ऐसे ही टेलीविजन में क्या होता है और रेडियो में क्या होता है और क्या क्या टैक्टिक्स होते हैं वो हम इस थर्ड यूनिट में पढ़ेंगे, जो कि आपको ये समझाएगा कि एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट का कॉपी कैसे बनता है, या एक जो ऐड होती है उसमें क्या क्या आप बताते हैं या आपको क्या क्या बताना चाहिए. सो दैट इज योर मैसेज डेवलपमेंट. Alright, next is measuring advertising effectiveness, fourth unit. Here we talk about once you are, knowing what is ad, what are the different medias, advertising कैसे बनाते हैं, आपने बना ली ad and then you have launched the ad. The next question is whether or not you should measure advertising effectiveness and how you should measure. Right, so you can see your topic is arguments for and against measuring the effectiveness. So some people say that you should measure the effectiveness, some people say you should not, or you can't measure the effectiveness in true sense. Also you have to study the communication and sales effect. जब हम फर्स्ट यूनिट में ऑब्जेक्टिव्स पढ़ेंगे उसमें आप कम्युनिकेशन एंड सेल्स इफेक्ट पढ़ेंगे. यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि आप उनको इवेलुएट कैसे करेंगे, राइट. एंड लास्ट इज पोस्ट एंड प्री एंड पोस्ट टेस्टिंग टेक्निक, कि जब आप एडवर्टाइजमेंट की इफेक्टिवनेस मेजर कर रहे हैं वो कब कर रहे हैं. प्री मतलब ऐड को लॉन्च करने से पहले, या पोस्ट मतलब ऐड को लॉन्च करने के बाद. सो आप लास्ट के 4 लाइन लिखेंगे. वेरियस मेथड फॉर मेजरिंग कम्युनिकेशन इफेक्ट इन प्री टेस्टिंग, सेल्स इफेक्ट इन प्री टेस्टिंग, कम्युनिकेशन इफेक्ट इन पोस्ट टेस्टिंग एंड सेल्स इफेक्ट इन पोस्ट टेस्टिंग. सो मतलब दोनों जो इफेक्ट्स हैं आप दोनों के प्री टेस्टिंग और पोस्ट टेस्टिंग मेथड्स पढ़ेंगे, राइट. Last unit talks about organizational arrangements. In this you talk about advertising agencies, different type के advertising agencies कौन कौन सी होती हैं, उनके role, उनका type, how do you select it, and why should you evaluate the advertising agencies. Then the structure of an ad agency and agency client relationship is also to be discussed. एजेंसी क्लाइंट मीन्स एजेंसी हो गई आपके एडवर्टाइजमेंट एजेंसी जो आपकी ऐड बना रही है, एंड क्लाइंट इज द कंपनी जो ऐड बनवा रहा है. सो इनका रिलेशनशिप कैसा होता है, क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस होते हैं, इसमें आपने ये भी पढ़ना है. द लास्ट थिंग यू हैव टू स्टडी, ओके दिस इज नॉट सी एंड डी, दिस शुड बी ए एंड बी. सो लास्ट chapter or topic you can say is the social, ethical and legal aspect of advertising in India and recent development and issues in advertising. So we see that you have to study कि इंडिया में क्या कौन कौन से लॉ हैं जो एड्स को गवर्न करती हैं, राइट. सो यू हैव कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट एंड ASCI which needs to be introduced for you in detail, right. And also what are the issues in terms of social issues, cultural issues and ethical issues which impact advertising is to be discussed in detail, right. All I can say is that these 5 units which comprises of your syllabus will introduce you to the world of advertising. अभी जब आप रेडियो सुनते हो या टेलीविज़न देखते हो, और इफ़ यू आर फ्लिपिंग द न्यूज़पेपर्स, यू डू सी द कंटेंट विच यू वांट, राइट. और जब भी कोई ऐड आती है, चाहे न्यूज़पेपर में हो चाहे टीवी में हो, यू टेक इट एज अ ब्रेक. Even if you are listening to radio and there is an ad, you generally switch on the channel. Now as a student of advertising, what you have to do is that you have to pay attention to the ads as much as you pay attention to the other content, right. So जब भी आप न्यूज़पेपर देखोगे आप देखोगे कि कौन सी ऐड फुल पेज की है, उसका लेआउट कैसा है, उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें मेंशन है, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको एज अ कंज्यूमर लगती हैं कि अरे इसमें तो ये मेंशन ही नहीं है, राइट। एंड देन इफ़ यू सी एवरी डे, क्या एक ऐड हर दिन यहीं पर आ रही है, रेगुलरली आ रही है, तो उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या है, उससे आपको ये पता चलेगा, राइट। Same goes for television. If you watch a particular news channel or if you watch a particular channel at a particular time, note करिए क्या उसमें same ads आती हैं हमेशा, right? So it will tell you a lot about the selection of media, the frequency of media and media scheduling. So जब हम ये पढ़ेंगे technically इसको क्या क्या बोलते हैं, तो you will be able to connect it to the real life. So this is not just a theory subject, it is very much a practical subject. But you know, you need not do sums, but of course you can relate it to your real life. ये हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं आपको वो दिखाई देगा आपकी real life में, and it will be very interesting if you link it to the current examples. And whatever you see around you, you have advertisements all around you. You can see literally advertisements in metro, in buses, in autos, in the market you are going, everywhere. So I would like you to pay attention to this subject, and be creative with the subject, be creative with your advertisement and present assignments and presentations which we will be having. And I'm sure that you will love the subject. So here is the reading list. Reading list में आपकी ये जो university suggest करती है, these are the books. And because you do not have access to library as of now and you cannot go through various books, I would suggest that you have to buy one basic book at least, which could be advertising by Neeru Kapoor or Ruchi Gupta, right. Please make sure you buy at least one book, basic book. And once you have access to library, then you can see the other books also. I would like to focus that please do not buy any 10 years. You are a CBCS batch and you do not have anyways 10 years. तो आपके 5 यूनिट में से जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि एक एक क्वेश्चन आता है, राइट। लेट मी गो बैक. So you have one question each from one unit, as you can see in your final exam. What we are going to do that after end of each unit, we will discuss the important questions from that unit which have come in the past years, and also how do you write or attempt those questions we will be discussing. So unit wise आपके वो questions बन जाएंगे. तो आपको 10 years लेना है क्वेश्चंस के लिए तो ठीक है, बट प्लीज डू नॉट रेफर द आंसर्स फ्रॉम देयर. डोंट थिंक दैट इट इज़ अ सब्सटीट्यूट टू योर main book. Please buy a good main book, invest in your knowledge, right. And welcome to the world of advertising. I hope we have a great time this semester.